how cool is this car? Now you're going to look at this and think, oh, that's quite low, isn't it? There's a reason behind that, because this has air suspension, and whilst you might think that's very normal, it's not a Defender commercial, and that's what this is. It's a Defender hardtop commercial, D250, on a 24 registration with delivery miles on, but it's not, again, an ordinary Defender commercial. You can buy a few Defender commercials now, boring ones, you know, standard ones from Land Rover, no problem. But then you're going to spend £12,000 and put the wheels, the arch kit, the spoiler, the lights, everything, just to make it look like this, and it's the time that it takes. For me, this is a Defender 110, it's a commercial. It looks fantastic from the side, it looks awesome from the back, and it looks absolutely fabulous from the front. But best of all, when you're driving about, it just looks good. But it rolls about with the wheels turning and the lights on and all the flashy bits on. It just looks good. So, you've got LED lights front and rear. You've got 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, heated steering wheel with the upgraded leather steering wheel. You've got DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but that's just some of the gadget and gizmos. This car has the air suspension, but best of all, if I'm driving it, I can put two of my kids with me because this has a third seat in the front. It's got a jump seat, have a look. Your jump seat and your air suspension, they're the two big things for me, fundamentally. But then you've got thousands and thousands spent on the lights, the bonnet vents, the side vents, the wheels, the arches, the side steps, detachable tow bar, rear spoiler, hardback cover, the list just goes on. But best of all, you're buying a Defender commercial, which means you can put it through the business and claim the VAT back on it and all the expenses and fuel, and it's almost like a no-brainer. Probably one of the reasons why I sell so many. I mean, don't get us wrong, when they look as good as this, there's not much selling involved, they sell themselves. It's either you have the money to buy it and you've got a business that can take the hit, no problem, or you can't. That's it. Going back to the car, you have space for everybody. There's USBs, USCs, dual zone climate control, your 360 camera system, nice and clear, and you can look at every single angle of the car, dead easy. Now I'm going to turn the engine off so you can see what's going on around the back. Okay then, in that case, Tom will start from the front. The LED lighting system, the urban badging, urban grills, the side vents here, and the bonnet vents aren't just them sticky cheap ones, it's the urban ones, nice three-dimensional. There's the same with the side vents as well. The gloss black 22-inch alloy wheels, the mud flaps, the side steps, the pod lights that you can see. You've seen inside the car already, you've seen inside the back with a lockable space. The extended arch kit, this is not standard. They don't look as good as this, never, not until you put them on. And then you have the back lights. I've mentioned this in the Defender 90. Them back lights make all the difference, because normally the red, and there's nothing wrong with the red lights at all. But then when you have this black finish to it, it just looks super stealthy, super aggressive, and it looks modern. It looks stylish. The air suspension has a button in the back here where you can press it and it lowers the back end even further to get loading and offloading a little bit easier for you. And there's that lockable space again. Now what you decide to do with it is up to yourself. If you then want to go and put back seats in it, do you, no problem. But for me, it sells. I've mentioned that the car's got detachable tow bar, which is perfect. And the car's on delivery miles. I love them because I think they do a cracking job. I love them because they're such an easy sell. There isn't much of a sell. All I'm doing right now is telling you how nice it is with all the extras that this car has. Because if you're looking for a Defender 90 and you have been looking for the last few weeks, you know what you've seen. And the way we work our live pricing here at Acklam Car Centre is we price them right. We just want to get them in, get them out. I said earlier, we bought 9 of these. 4 of them we sold instantly, genuinely didn't hit the internet. And this one will sell just as quick. My name's Joe, thanks for watching, bye bye.